Ashley Heinz Walden.
Conrad Soler on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Austin Bobasi on behalf of Ashley Heinz Walden. Ms. Walden, there, could you please unmute, state your full name for the record?
Oh,
Ashley Heinz Walden.
Okay, she's here. All right. What are we doing on this?
Yes, Your Honor, today's the date and time set for a pretrial. There was an offer on the table for her to clear up her license and admit to double parking. I have not been able to reach her, so I don't know where she is with that. Ms. Heinz Walden, were you able to clear up your license?
Actually, so here's the problem. I am able to clear my license, but I was born in North Dakota and I didn't have my birth certificate. They're requesting my birth certificate. And so I had to send it out by the mail, and they said it'll be 7 to 10 days. But I should have everything done and cleared up because I had to pay for a reckless driving like $500. And I paid that. So everything should be cleared up if I could just have another 2-week adjournment, and I won't ask again, Your Honor. I know you've been really lenient with me, but I can't afford to get another driving while license suspended. So if you could please do that.
Boy, she just took off and ran.
She covered all the bases.
I've been practicing.
You made my job easy.
It came out nothing like I practiced either, by the way. So.
Oh, I see. It came out very well, I guess. We all know she was born in North Dakota, and so you're just waiting on your birth certificate so you can go get your license.
Correct.
Okay. When did you try to get that? Do you know?
So I went, this was actually 3 weeks ago. But it took me a week to get, I shouldn't, it was my fault. I procrastinated, but it should be in the mail now, actually.
Yeah, we know it's your fault, but yeah. So I'm just trying to figure out how much time to try to give you so that you can get it done.
So honestly, if you could give me another 2 weeks, I would, everything will be set and done by then.
Who believes her? Oh, yeah, Q believes her. Oh, you believe her. Okay, Mr. So everybody's in agreement.
Well, four weeks might be safer, but
yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
That would be safer, and but if you could do that, I'm not opposed to that either. So.
Oh, so
no objections.
I'm the defense attorney and the prosecutor on the same case. Well, bless it.
Yeah.
Right, I was like, is he the prosecutor? The defense,
Okay, Ms. Heinz Walden, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to adjourn your case to July 19th. We'll give you time. Mail from North Dakota is slow. At 9 a.m. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Take care. On the Barrage Scott matter, and so that everything can be explained in full and everything hopefully worked out. There's a request to adjourn these matters. I will only adjourn them out to 10 days and not the 3 weeks. So I'll adjourn them to May 16th, 2023, 9 a.m. As to bond.
Your Honor, I have spoken with Mr. Scott in this matter, and we discussed the last bond violation. I don't know if the court has found out what date that was. I still don't have anything about it. But Mr. Scott believed that was when he was in the hospital and he had to walk home. So he is asking this court to put him back untethered. And he said he has been having some problems with his tether. But basically, he does believe that was when he was in the hospital.
Well, he believes that's when it was in the house when he was in the hospital, or he's sure of that. I'm looking.
He's sure. He knows he was in the hospital, but we're unsure what date the community corrections violation.
Has anybody contacted community corrections regarding its violation?
No, I have not.
Okay, so what I'm going to suggest that you do is contact community corrections ask them to give you the dates of the violations, because they're the ones that would have called it in. And then maybe, and also then where they picked up the violation, which may then fit into the sequence that Mr. Scott's giving you.
Okay,
All right. But at this time, and I've kind of set it on a short time frame because of I know you're trying to resolve things. So I'm going to deny the motion for bond reduction. His bond will continue, but he's back here real soon. And you can look into the community corrections thing, the hospitalization and the like, and tie that all up. All right.
Mr.
Thank you.
Simpson, can I say something, Mr. Simpson, please? If
I've
it's
probably
okay.
never been able to stop you, but go ahead, Baraj.
Listen, Simpson, please listen to me. Please, I know you.
I always listen to you, Baraj.
I know.
Always.
Listen, I'm asking for tether because the reason why I'm asking for tether, I don't know if you know, but my little nephew just got, he just died in Oklahoma, man, and like he got hit by a car or whatever. And my grandma said it was a good idea to put me back on tether because I was doing so good, and I'm in school now, and I have to pay these fines. I have to pay these fines off to Miss what's her name, Miss Fresh Hour, and I would like to be put on tether again. I would like to get another
Judge Fresh Hour?
Yes, I have to pay that before the 10th, where they're going to put a warrant out for me. That's the only reason why I'm asking if you could please place me back on tether. I would do good, and I have been doing good. I didn't get no violations until that time. Can you please give me one more chance today? So
Mr.
Please.
Scott, Mr. Scott.
Yes, sir.
Two things there. I'm sure that if Judge Freshour knows that you were incarcerated at the time and couldn't pay the fines off, there's not going to be significant ramifications from that.
Yeah, but
That's the first thing. The second thing is that if you listen real close to what I said to counsel, and what I said is I didn't put your date out to the 25th, which I normally would have done. I put it for the 16th. So that they can try to work things out. They got to talk to you about some things so that hopefully this can all get resolved. The other thing that I just said to your attorney is to try to you've told your attorney what happened that day. They need to check with community corrections, pinpoint when the violation occurred so that I'm looking at a full picture of what happened.
But do you think? Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So then once I can see that, then I can make a decision on your request.
Well, do you think is you mad at me, or are you mad at me because like it seems like you're mad at me?
Mr. Scott, and am I mad at you?
I don't know. I don't want you to be.
Okay, Mr. Scott, I'm not mad at you. Usually people know if I'm mad at them.
Yeah. But
okay. And I don't know that we could have this conversation if I was mad at you. Your
Yes,
attorneys will tell you that.
Yes, sir. I'm just asking.
Okay.
I was just asking because if I have to pay rent and I won't have no place to stay. That's why.
Okay, Mr. Scott, listen to me.
Yes, sir.
I know all of that. The last time that you were in and I let you out, well, the last 2 times, you told me the same things.
I know.
In terms of a lot of it.
I know.
And I took a chance, I let you out. I'm not saying that I won't do that, but I don't have a full story of what happened.
I'll tell you what happened. This is what happened.
Okay, all right, Mr. Scott. Mr. Scott, I know you're going to tell me what happened.
Please.
I don't have a problem listening to you. But by the time you get done telling me, I'm going to be at the same spot.
I know. I just want to tell you I just want to tell you this so you understand. I went to the hospital on the 17th. I was in the hospital on 4/17.
Raj,
Yes.
I think you might want to let it go today.
So I'm not getting, can I get a PR bond or anything? If that's okay? I would really like to be out because I want another chance to be out, Mr. Simpson. Please, can you do this one last time? And I won't.
Mr. Scott.
Yes.
You said that exact thing to me the last time I let you out.
I know, but
okay, just listen, Mr. Scott. Just listen.
Okay.
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 I'm not gonna have a problem, but your attorney needs to check something
Mhm.
and try to verify what you're telling them and the court.
Okay,
Once I see that, I'm gonna make a decision. Now, I think you know about me.
I
I'll
know,
be fair with you.
I know,
And I know you know that.
I know. You were the
So,
nicest.
and you know, unless I know everything that I possibly can, I'm not making a decision.
Yeah, I know you the nicest judge in the world, so I don't got nothing to say about that.
Okay, all right. Mr. Scott,
Yes, sir.
we'll see you the 16th. They'll get the information to me and maybe something will change, maybe it won't. But at worst, we'll see you on the 16th.
All right,
Thank you. And I'm not mad at you.
all right.
Your Honor, and I would
Okay.
ask Mr. Ganatra to just keep the offer that he made open.